Model Talk. This is a strategy in which you physically demonstrate the directions or concepts involved in your lesson. It uses things like gestures, visuals, and demonstrations to communicate the information. How does Model Talk reflect the best practices for teaching ELLs? This strategy allows the students to see the expectations and content rather than just hear it. This lowers the students' anxiety by showing them what they are expected to do. Seeing gives them the confidence to join in the learning process. It also allows them to connect pictures and actions to new vocabulary for understanding. If you want to use Model Talk with your English language learners, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Identify the lesson and gather the materials. Design gestures that will help the students understand what will be expected without having to rely solely to the English language. Step 2. Practice your Model Talk. Determine if your Model Talk determines the message you want your students to understand. Step 3. Design a visual of directions. You may create standard visuals that can be used over and over again in other lessons. Step 4. Review the steps to be taken after you have delivered the Model Talk. Use the visuals as reminders and to reinforce the instructions. Step 5. Observe the students as you Model Talk. Determine the sections that need to be remodeled. Ask follow-up questions and answer by demonstrating part of the directions. Create a player model for the word addition. Fold the paper into 4 as shown in the picture. Vocabulary word addition in the line. Write the definition of the vocabulary word on the upper left. A drawing or illustration of the vocabulary word on the upper right. An example of addition equation on the lower left. A non-example equation on the lower right. In connection to Krashen's theory of second language learning, students acquire the English language through modeling words. Strategy uses scaffolding to build students' knowledge of new words. It promotes the students to communicate with teachers using Model Talk. Keeps the students engaged. Lowers the students' anxiety to perform their task. And helps open the acquisition effective filter. I hope you find this video useful for our English language learners.
Created using Powtoon.